Hello, you are welcome to Street Hustle once again. And for some time now, we have been talking about agro storage and wholesale business. Now, this is a kind of business where you buy agro products in a very large quantity if you have the money, and then you store them for a period of 4, 5 to 6 months at most, and then you sell them for at least 100%. So by the time you remove your logistics and everything, you might end up with 70% or 80% as your final profit. So if you have any money anywhere, you have money that you're not using, you just kept in the bank or something, and you want that money to grow, or maybe you have a particular project to do with that money, but the money will not be enough. So the best way to multiply that money, the best way to grow the money is to put the money in agro storage business, where you can be able to double the money or triple the money within a year, so that you can achieve your aim that you want to achieve with that particular money. And in this particular channel, what we do is to bring updates, particularly for now, on agro business, how you can farm and make your money, where you can farm and make your money, how you can go into agro storage business, how you can build your capital in agro storage business. And in today's edition, I'll be talking about the particular products that you can start storing right now. Right now, this is February of 2025. Now, something happened. There are some agro products that we stored last year, and after some time the price dropped. It's just normal, it's just usual, because during the festive period, people want to sell off their grains that they've stored so that they can make money to celebrate Christmas, celebrate New Year, and the rest of them. So, and in the early months of the year, January, February, people are planning new businesses, people are relocating, people are paying school fees, people are their kids are getting admission, like that. So they are selling off. Because of that, prices are dropping now, but it's not a problem, because in the next few months they will all rise up again. So right now you can store Beniseed, you cannot store Egusi again because it's late, but you can store Beniseed right now. You can store the one they call Bambara nut. You can store soya beans. You can store guinea corn. You can store wheat. In fact, if you are watching this video right now, and you have a connection anywhere in the world to supply wheat, you can get that wheat in large quantity right now from Nasarawa State. I am making this video now from my office in Nasarawa State. I am making this video now from my office in Nasarawa State. That is where I am. That's where I do. That is where I am. I am making this video now from my office, from my farm in Nasarawa State. That is where I am based. That is where I am doing my business. That is where I'm doing my agro storage business and other businesses that I handle. Now, so if you are interested in going into agro storage business, please, there are 4 ways that you can do this business. 4 ways. Please listen to me, so that you don't come to my DM and you start asking me questions that I have actually answered here or discussed here. Number 1 is this. You can actually, if you are not in Nasarawa State, and you want to do agro storage business, you have money that you're not using, you just keep the money, and you want to go into this business I'm saying now, or you want to do exportation of agro products, but you don't know where to source them, or you just have money to invest in agro storage business. Now, there are 4 ways you can do the business. Number 1 is this. If you have a storage in your location, let's assume that you are located in Lagos State or in Port Harcourt, and you have a place where you can store these things when you buy them, and you can come down to Nasarawa State. That is the first option. So you come down, somebody will take you to the market, or you go by yourself, you buy, you carry, and you go to your location, you go and store. The second option is that you have a storage in your location where you are based right now, but you cannot come down here to buy, maybe because of the distance, but you have a relation or somebody you trust that you can give the money to help you and buy, and they will bill for you. That's the second option. Then the third option is that you don't have storage anywhere in your location, but you want to go into agro storage business. You understand? And you can come down to Nasarawa State here, buy here and store here. You understand? That is another option. Then the last option is that you cannot come down here and you don't have any storage anywhere, but you still want to do the business. Now, but you have somebody you trust that you can send the money to, the person can buy for you and store here for you. When it is time to sell, the person will sell, and whatever be the profit inside, the person will give to you. Usually, the profit is not less than 70%. Yes, 70 if you do it yourself, but or you have somebody close to you doing it. But if it's a company that will do it for you, they will not give you more than 50% because of other other costs and that they're going to incur in helping you to run the business. So, but if you're doing the business yourself, you understand, you can get close to 70 to 80%, yourself. So, if this is the kind of thing you want to do, now you can do the business yourself, or you can have me to guide you. If you want me to be the person that will guide you, you have chosen any of these 4 options I just mentioned now, and you want me to be the person that will guide you, you have to join my mentorship program. It's called my VIP class. Now my VIP class is just 20,000 naira, and it is once in a lifetime. You don't pay it twice. Once you pay it once, you have paid it. When you now come in and you have selected any of these 4 different methods, 4 different ways, then we can take it up from there. Whatever you want me to do for you concerning agro storage business, as far as Nigeria is concerned, is captured in my mentorship program. You understand? So I just want to use this medium to explain these things on this channel and inside this group, so that any person that is here will understand. Now, if you want to reach out to me, you can see the number on my screen. That's my WhatsApp number and my call numbers. Then you can also check the description part of this video, so that you can join my Telegram group. If it is the paid group, the VIP group, you can join. It is 20,000 naira. So, but if you don't want to join the VIP group, you can send me a WhatsApp message. You can ask me any question concerning storage business, and I will be glad to answer you. So make sure that you invest your money. Any money you have that you just locked up somewhere in the bank or whatever, that you're not using it, the bank cannot give you more than 5% in a whole year, or at most 10% in a whole year. So there's no need of having your 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million locked up in the bank without the bank giving you any interest, any substantial amount of interest on your money. So bring the money into agro storage business or even agro wholesale business, and let your money work for you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.